In just a few weeks' time, on the 7th of May, Wales goes to the polls. It's your call, and this really is a chance to make history. I'm lucky in that I get to travel to all parts of Wales, and everywhere I go, people tell me the same thing. They want a fresh start. They know that this isn't as good as things can get for Wales. Long NHS waiting times, rising household bills, schools under pressure, struggling high streets, and at the same time, you see Wales being treated unfairly by those in power at Westminster. After 27 years of Labour in charge, people are rightly frustrated.
This year, in the election, I'll be voting for Plaid Cymru.
This year, in this election, I'll be voting for Plaid Cymru.
But on the 7th of May, we can say it's time to do things differently and change Wales for the better. It's time for new leadership, and that's exactly what Plaid Cymru offers. A government that stands up for Wales. We have the vision, we have the plan to move our nation forward, getting you treated quicker, making the NHS fit for the future, delivering a childcare offer to support families, backing Welsh businesses and creating more well-paid jobs, raising numeracy and literacy standards in schools, and we won't just stand by and watch Wales being shortchanged.
This year, in this election, I'll be voting for Plaid Cymru.
So we will never rest in making the case for fair funding for Wales, for control over our own resources, for the powers we need to unlock our potential. This is the most significant election in the history of devolution in Wales. And the choice ahead of us couldn't be clearer. Labour has had its time. They took Wales for granted for too long. So we have a choice of two futures. On one side, the Trump-inspired politics of division and chaos. On the other, Plaid Cymru's vision for fairness, for ambition, for hope.
This year, in the election, I'll be voting Plaid Cymru.
This year, in the election, I'll be voting for Plaid Cymru.
It's something new. New energy, new ideas, a brighter future for Wales. So on May the 7th, choose new leadership. Choose a government more determined than any that's gone before it to stand up for your community and for Wales. And choose Plaid Cymru.